Hello everyone, I'm here with another layout. This is, as I said in my previous layout, Eat Pie and Give Thanks. This is my sink collapse, see? It's like, oh my gosh. But we just had to deal with it. We ordered some clips from Amazon and you get epoxy glue and you glue one end, you glue the wafer metal to the underside of, and we did 3 in the back, 3 in the front, 2 on each side, and yeah, because we had 10 in total, so that's how or actually Alex did it. We epoxied the wafers with epoxy glue, you let that dry, and then you lift the sink, or you screw on the clips, and you tighten them, and it has like it's a clip, so it holds the sink up. It clips the sink and then it holds the sink up, yeah. And so, in the meantime, so we could actually use the sink, it didn't break anything, pipes or nothing, so we totally got lucky on that one. And so, we used a car jack to lift the sink up so we could utilize it. Otherwise, there was no way I could spend a week washing dishes in the guest bathroom. No way. So I'm going to use some scraps, but the plaid layer strip is Amy Tangerine's Late Afternoon. That black and white pattern is a scrap from previous kit, I believe. The September kit, I think. Gingham is from Simple Stories Cozy Days. I have to change my tape. It's been several years. Gosh, I don't even know how many years since I purchased this tape from Tape Jungle. The floral pattern, which is my photo mat, is Hip Kit Glove's Grandma's House. And I'm gonna write down what papers I use, so it's not so much, so I don't have to worry about it at the end. So I'm on my 3rd cup of coffee. It's about 5:30. Actually, it is 5:30. It's my 3rd cup of coffee, and my headache is going away. Yay. Usually, if I get a headache, it's just go get some coffee and I'll be good. But anyway, our sink is fixed now, so that's good. So this washi tape is Simple Stories Cozy Days as well. It come in the kit. And I just use it so I can layer my paper strip on there. And that was just a branding strip. I was going to use the gingham, but I was like, nah, it kind of blends in with the paper a little bit. And so there's this cut apart sheet, which is Simple Stories as well, I think. I'm just going to layer I use the tag, so that way it kind of will be the platform for a cluster of embellishments. I'm just going to figure out what I'm going to do. I'm like, no. And then at some point I also pull the foam off so it lays flat as well. So the dug heads are Jen Hatfield's The Avenue, and the chipboard stickers and the foam stickers are Simple Stories, Cozy Days. And I want to use up some of that because this is, you know, the house, so I want to use some of those house die cuts. Lately, none of my layouts satisfy me. I feel like they just look, I don't know, not good. I don't know why. I'm just in a mood, I guess, lately. Just super stressed with everything that's going on in life right now. My husband wants to text me. Oh, hey, Theo. Thought that was Mateo getting up. He had some. Gonna come get some nibbles. Oh, that's a cool boy. Feed him some food. I feed him soft food in the mornings, and then there's hard food for them to nibble on, because my hard food is for, it's for something, but it's also for urinary tract, and I get that because for Patton, with his, because he he got clogged. This was a couple years ago. He developed crystals in his urinary tract, and that can kill him. So I knew something wasn't right with him. So that's why I'm glad that I know my cat's personalities very well. So very in tune to them, to where I know when they're sick. I know exactly when they're sick, because when there's something not normal. So I took him in, and thank God I did, because she goes, normally, people don't catch it this quick. She goes, normally they're a lot worse, like on the verge of death before people bring them in. But anyway, so I buy the urinary tract hard food for them to nibble on for him as well. And moist food is supposed to be more acidic, I believe, which helps it so they don't form. But due to his clogging and when using the litter box, he strained, so he developed PTSD to the litter box. So he's on kitty Prozac. It's on Prozac, which he'll have to take for the rest of his life. But hey, that's okay. I just put it in his food every morning. So, no biggie. Anyway, so the foam stickers, and I think I said the washi tape, the labels and phrase stickers are Jen Hatfield's The Avenue, and then I'm doing Heart and Home is American Second Avenue stickers. Thanksgiving Collapse is Pink Fresh Studio Days of Splendor. That's from a past kit. And then Sync, because I did the Thanksgiving Sync Collapse. And the Sync is American Crafts Master stickers. And that's what I used for my title. And that is all I'm going to do. I think I might do some black. Yep, I do some black splatters. And then that is all I do. Because I'm like, something's missing. I'm like, I don't like it. But I just go with it. I'm like, I'm done. We're good. Anyway, so that's my layout. Thanks for watching. Bye.